I'm going to go ahead and record the session for the benefit of that 40 people who have missed this session because of some important activity. And for them, I'm going to go ahead and do a recap. So the first important thing, the plan for the next week is you would need to know what is the kind of a balance that we are working on. We started the month of August with 75,000 in two accounts. So one was the 5 Paisa account and the other one was Paytm account. So both 5 Paisa and Paytm account have actually graduated, where 5 Paisa account is right now standing at somewhere around 1.5 lakhs, and whereas the Paytm account is standing somewhere around 2.2 lakh rupees. So this both put together, we have somewhere around 3,75,000 rupees at this moment. Our target for the week that is ahead is that to turn this capital to 5 lakh rupees. And to make that 5 lakh rupees, I will have to earn 1.25 lakh rupees for the next period that I have over here at this moment. And how am I going to earn it? I'm going to earn with the crucial levels that we have been marked out over here, and they are these particular stocks that we are going to look for. And firstly, we will look at Bank Nifty. Now, Bank Nifty is in a range, so until and unless this particular range has been broken, we will not be looking forward for any activity whatsoever. So once this range is broken, either on the downside or on the upside, we'll be looking for 300-point target. The more closer it is to the expiry, the more violent the move is going to be. So we are going to wait for this, and I'm expecting somewhere around, not more than let's say somewhere around 75K is what I'm expecting from here. 75 to 50K is what I'm expecting over here from Bank Nifty. That is the kind of revenue that I'm expecting for the next week. Now, on the flip side, we are going to look at stock options. The first one is Idea, where we are waiting for Idea to come across the golden ratio, where it can give us a minimum of 24% to 48% of appreciation, depending on the bailout that the government will make. The second one is Adani Enterprises, where it has already crossed the golden level on a single day with a single spike of 7% and is now sustaining at 0.618. But we are not going to trade it until it is going to cross 1600. Once that is done, we are going to look at 8% target. And the third one is going to be Tata Chemicals. Now, Tata Chemicals has made a very huge candle over here, but as per the retracement that we need to make, we are going to wait for 819 and wait for a 15-minute buy candle from here to look at the upside. The other point that we are going to have over here is, Tata Consumer, where we are waiting for it to go ahead and cross 791 so that we can aim for a round number breach, where it can take at least, around across 823. The other one is a multi-year breakout by Bharti Airtel, where this particular breakout can give us at least 10% because there is a very high increase in volumes that have come in this particular stock for a very decent amount of time. So we are going to look at 620 breach so that we can look at least 9% on the target. Now, these targets that I've told might be achieved next week or whatever is going to happen. We will have to go ahead and manage them on the live trading. So, whatever the management is going to happen, we are going to take care. The other one is going to be IRCTC. The IRCTC consolidation is on the upside over here. We are waiting for it to cut on 25,325 so that we can look at that 6% up move. And that was the bullish front. On the negative side, which is the bearish category, we are going to have Shriram Transport. We are waiting for 13,115 to be broken so that we can buy and look for a target of 1200 or somewhere around at least halfway in the middle. At RBL Bank, we are going to look at the way that it is going to cross somewhere around 175.50, where we are going to have the decent amount of target. And in terms of Zeal, we are looking at the FII exit at 195 because there is a round number already so that we can have that progress. And we are looking at the most volatile stock in the stock market with a very high beta activity of at least 10% per day kind of a move. That is Strides Pharma, which is also known as STAR. So we are going to wait for STAR to start reacting below 716 so that we can wait for 650, 700 and 600 targets for the next week. So with this, what I would plan is that if I am having 75,000 or 50,000 from Bank Nifty options that I'm going to make, I'm going to try the same level of 75,000 to 50,000 on the Bank Nifty options that I will make. So once this is all taken over, both of this put together, I will be able to go ahead and do a 1,25,000 on a round number, and then we will start progressing it forward from there. So this is our plan for the next week, and this is what we are going to be looking out for. So if you want to join our live trading services, I'll be giving a link on the website, Telegram. So the website is still active. The new one is getting built, and it will eventually be there midweek next week, where we are having all the redesign and everything that has been happening, because we are planning to go ahead and get we have literally let go of the entire team that we had already, and we have signed up with a new one yesterday. So we will be using their help to go ahead and give much more customer experience to whoever our joiners are from the next week onwards. So most probably that is going to happen. But however, you can still use our old website that is available at this moment to join us to live trade. It's your choice. You can copy and earn or copy and learn. So with this, I thank you so much for your time, and I will end the session here. If you have any questions, I will be ready to answer. Or I think I'm spot on with the time. Like I told you, 30 minutes is what I'm going to take. So do let me know if you have any questions, or else I think we'll all save some time. Anything at all? Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop a WhatsApp number over here as well for you to contact me, and I will drop this message on the Telegram group, and for the others I'll just send the recording and we'll see how it progresses from there. So with that, I thank you so much for your time today. I wish you have a wonderful day ahead. Take care. Jai Hind. Goodbye. See you on the live trading on Monday. Bye bye for now.